6 to 7 hours soaked black chana. Remove the water and transfer to cooker. Add 2 cups of water. And add 1 teaspoon of salt. Then put it to 3 to 4 whistles. Once cool down cooker, it is softened. Put 3 to 4 tablespoons of chana into mixer jar with little water and grind it. Separate the excess water and keep aside. You can use in any dish this water, but it is salted. Put a kadai on stove and 1 teaspoon of ghee added, and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of carom seeds, that is jain, and 1 black cardamom, 1 bay leaf, turmeric, 1 teaspoon chili powder, and 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon amchur powder. Fry it 1 or 2 minutes. Then add 2 tablespoons of cooked chana water. And fry it 1 or 2 minutes. Flame should be in low to medium. Now add cooked chana with little water and ground paste. It will give thickness to this prasadam. We can make this prasadam on any festival day. Stir continuously until thickens. It will take 2 to 3 minutes. Add hing 2 pinch at the end of the recipe. Once cooked, now we add. Then add fresh coriander. Our recipe is ready. We can pray this recipe to Durga Ma. Cool down. It will ride. In Navratri time, we can prepare this prasadam. Subscribe my channel for more videos, and thank you for watching.